Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel order in Grabfood. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, in order for you to cancel your order, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, in order for you to cancel your order inside the Grab app here, or if you're ordering something, you first need to guarantee that you meet the proper criteria. Now, if your order is still in the kitchen or they are still preparing your order, well, you still have the chance to cancel your order. So you want to go and just head over to your actual order right now. So usually at the very bottom, you should see a notification of your order or the status of your order. So go and just select or click on it. Now, once you are inside your order here, you want to go and click on the Get Help button that you see at the top right of your screen. And it should redirect you to the Get Help or How Can We Help page. Now, at the very bottom of the screen, you should see the option here that says, Can I cancel my order? Now, if you do see the cancel order button that is in red usually, you can go and just click on it. And from then on, you can go and just select or press on the cancel order that you should be seeing on your screen in here. So as you can see right now, that's the cancel order. You can go and just select or press on it in order for it to cancel your order. But in some cases, you may not be able to cancel your order due to certain policies. Like for example, if the restaurant is using a specific carrier, like they have their own carrier and they're just using Grab as a means to sell their items, well, you won't be able to cancel your order. Now, in some cases, if your order is already on the way to you, well, the option to cancel your order is completely removed. So in this case, you won't be able to cancel your order once it's already on the way. But if you have any problems with your order, you could actually go to your order history and just report that, just in case you are going to have or you are expecting to have some problems with your order. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.